In a picturesque setting along the Chao Phraya River bend in Pathum Thani province, a stunning river house has been unveiled, offering a luxurious retreat for its owners. This exquisite property, designed to serve as a family clubhouse, promises a blend of relaxation, entertainment, and sporting activities amidst breathtaking panoramic views. The river house caters to the diverse needs of its owners, who envisioned a space that combines elements of leisure and functionality. Among the key requirements were facilities for sports activities, including a soccer field and indoor supercar parking, alongside a riverside pavilion. Additionally, provisions for future expansion, including the construction of 3 additional houses for their children, were incorporated into the design. The main house boasts an array of amenities spread across its 3 floors. The ground floor is dedicated to service and sports activities, featuring storage areas, a fully equipped kitchen, and indoor parking facilities. On the first floor, a spacious master bedroom offers easy access to the garden and river, ensuring a seamless connection with nature. The second floor serves as the heart of the house, comprising a grand living and dining area that opens onto a sprawling terrace and a large swimming pool. The interior design prioritizes comfort and elegance, with 5 bedrooms designated for the owner's children and a riverside master bedroom reserved for the parents. Skylights adorn the bedrooms and bathrooms on the 3rd floor, infusing the spaces with natural light and creating a serene ambience. To capitalize on the breathtaking river views, the design incorporates seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. The grand living and dining area, strategically positioned on the second floor, can accommodate up to 50 guests and seamlessly connects to the terrace and infinity pool. Sliding doors spanning up to 20 meters ensure uninterrupted views of the Chao Phraya River, blurring the boundaries between the interior and exterior. One of the architectural highlights of the river house is its innovative cantilever structure, which minimizes the need for columns and maximizes the uninterrupted views of the river bend. By strategically placing columns on one side of the space and utilizing a long cantilever supported by concrete trusses, the design achieves a span of nearly 12 meters, creating a sense of openness and continuity. With its breathtaking location, luxurious amenities, and innovative design features, the river house in Pathum Thani sets a new standard for upscale living. Designed to cater to the diverse needs of its owners, this exquisite property offers a harmonious blend of comfort, sophistication, and natural beauty, ensuring an unparalleled lifestyle experience along the banks of the Chao Phraya River.